I'm very tired. So it's come to my attention that some of you guys don't know how to take care of the stuff that I got for you guys. Well, that's what this video is for. I'll go into the nitty-gritty of how everything works, how to fix it, and what you might need in the future in case people like, I don't know, a future Seth might come into your frat. First things first though, we actually gotta go to the frat house itself. Come with me. So during my time of recording the series of videos I'm about to show you, I completely forgot about the echo in my room, and the audio is just complete garbage. So I'm just going to give you a step-by-step overview as to what I was doing in pretty much the whole summary of what I did. Long story short, I forgot the fucking mic, alright? I'm sorry. I'm a forgetful person. I forgot it. So anyway, let's get right down to business, shall we? And full disclaimer, it'll be pretty obvious, but you won't be able to understand what I'm saying in the videos, so I'm going to try and replace that audio with this audio. So basically, this is the main central hub of everything. This is what powers the speakers, this is what powers everything that you want to connect your music to. First things first, you're going to want to turn on the power, make sure the blue light, the LED is on. And then you're gonna go to the 5 silver buttons and you're gonna click the mode button until you see the thing that says disconnected. Once the Bluetooth is actually on and connected, you should be fine from there. Like say you wanna connect your phone, your laptop, etc, etc, etc. So once that is all on, you're gonna wanna grab the blue aux cord and you're gonna plug it into the back of the main central hub and the back of the speaker. Like so. Put one there. And then put one in there. Now, when you plug in the blue part into the back of the speaker, you're gonna wanna do it very carefully and you're gonna wanna hear for a little click. You're gonna wanna shove it in carefully and then tilt or twist to the right. And make sure it's nice and safe and snug in there. Don't yank on it too much though, otherwise it might break and then, well, you're gonna have to spend more money. So once that's all set up, you're gonna go back to the 5 silver buttons, and then there are 3 knobs. One of them is treble, one of them is bass, and the other is all around sound. And those are just the 3 main components. And then there's 2 aux cords as well, so you want to plug in like, I don't know, your TV surround sound speakers or whatever. That's what they're for. And I don't mess with any of these buttons because I really never had to, but once you are all set, you're gonna grab your microphone and you're gonna go to the channel 1, which is the far left side of the central hub, and then you're gonna plug it in carefully as well, and then you're good. But now say you guys didn't follow my instructions carefully and it's not playing sound, you gotta get a little down and dirty and open up the back of the speaker. So once you guys are done fixing the speakers, we're going to move on to the light bar. The light bar is usually on a giant extending pole, and on the back of it there is a mic adjuster dial, which is how sensitive the mic it will pick up the sound around everything. And to power it, you're gonna need one of those 3-pronged dongles. It's the same as the central hub. There's also an outlet you can plug stuff into. So once everything is set up and powered on, I like to clap my hand a few times just to make sure the microphone is picking up the sound coming from around it. And then once you test that a few times and everything is A-okay, and it's registering every time you clap, you're ready. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any other comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to contact me at this number right here. I guarantee I'll 100% pick up. And yeah, that's about it. See ya.